car prices could skyrocket soon. And it's not because of demand or shortages, it's because of auto tariffs. What does that mean for you? Let's break it down. Auto tariffs are becoming a hot topic again in 2025. But what exactly are auto tariffs? In simple words, they are taxes on cars and car parts imported from other countries. When the government adds tariffs, companies have to pay extra to bring cars into the country. And guess what? They usually pass that extra cost onto the buyers. That's you and me. Recently, new tariffs on imported vehicles and parts from countries like China, Mexico, and Europe are being discussed. The reason? To protect local car manufacturers and create more American jobs. However, there's a downside. New cars might become way more expensive. Used car prices could also rise because of higher demand. Repair costs could increase too, because parts will be pricier. Experts say this move could add thousands of dollars to the price of an average car if the new tariffs go through. So, what can you do? If you're planning to buy a car, it might be smarter to act soon before prices shoot up. Also, consider maintaining your current car better to avoid expensive repairs later. Auto tariffs sound like a political move, but they directly impact your wallet. Stay informed and plan wisely. Would you still buy a car if prices jump by $5,000? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest updates on how big changes affect your money.